Now next, the question that is given to you, that you have to write the 5 examples that float and 5 examples of those that sink in water. So please give the examples of objects that float on water. Yes, Argun?
Ma'am, I have written only 2.
Okay.
Ice cube,
Yes.
rubber band.
Okay. Next, Rashesh, other 2 examples.
Ma'am, leaf
Yes.
and rubber band.
Okay. And Avni?
Ma'am, polythene bag.
Yes, polythene bag.
Ma'am, polythene.
So there are so many
And ma'am,
examples.
plastic bottle.
प्लास्टिक, यस, प्लास्टिक कैप भी जो फ्लोट करता है, जो पेन का कैप होता है, फेदर भी फ्लोट करते हैं, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज दैट सिंक इनटू द वाटर. यस रहितेश. दैट सिंक इन वाटर.
Ma'am, iron.
आयरन. नेक्स्ट गगन, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल बच्चे. अंशिका, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल.
Ma'am, coin and key.
Yes, coin and key. There are so many examples. You can take the example of steel spoon, any metal, stone,
And stone.
iron nail. These are the examples that of the objects that sink in the liquids. Now next, coming to the next topic given on page number 31. So you have the object that is transparent in nature, translucent and opaque in nature. So show me that you all have. Very good. Others, students, please on your videos. Now next, coming to the topic. Coming to the topic, transparency. So students, you play hide and seek. Now students, you might have played the game hide and seek. Yes, Avni. So आप कौन सी जगह पे जाके छिप जाते हो? हाइड कहाँ पे करते हो जहां से दूसरा पर्सन आपको देख सके, कि जहां पे आपको ना देख सके वो पर्सन?
मैम ना देख सके. ओके.
ओके. सो
पे वो ना.
अगर आप जैसे कि कोई ग्लास है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज ए ग्लास, अगर आप वहां पे हाइड हो जाते हो, सो व्हाट विल हैपन? Yes, you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, the person will find you.
Yes, it will be very easy to find you. Okay, and if there is any wall or any type of wood door is there, then what will happen? The person will
Not.
The person did not find us.
Yes. So
Did not
so
find
there are
you.
some type of materials.
Because like
जैसे कि ग्लास है, ग्लास में क्या है, वो जो पर्सन है, जो आपका फ्रेंड है, जो वो आपको जल्दी से आपको फाइंड कर लेगा, ठीक है? Yes, Avni, yes, you are showing the example of glass. Very good, बच्चे. So in this case,
Ma'am,
the substances from which we can see clearly, we can see the other side clearly, these are called transparent. You have any material that is transparent in nature? Yes, just give me 1 minute. Yes, Abhi.
मैम आयरन मैम कौन सा ऑब्जेक्ट होता है?
We will discuss it. We are just coming. we are discussing about glass only. आयरन के अगर हम दूसरी साइड देखें तो हमें दिखाई देता है? अभी tell me, if we want to see on the other side of the iron,
No.
you are able to see? No. So
No.
it is opaque object. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Definition we will discuss it later. And the first that we are discussing from the object that we can see the other side clearly. Yes, it is
Ma'am, the cover of the book.
glass, water. Okay, and there are some types of plastics also from which
Ma'am,
we
cover
can
of-
see. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if a glass is having dirt on it, then it will not be transparent.
Yes, it cannot be transparent. Then we are able to see partially. Clear? वो हमें पूरा clear नहीं दिखेगा, partially दिखेगा. So the first conception is the first definition. Yes, बच्चे.
And the cover of the book is also transparent.
Which cover you are talking about? Just show me first. Yes, Avni, it is. Yes, it is transparent. Yes, Rashesh, it is transparent. So अगर जैसे कि अगर ये वाला है तो it is opaque. But अगर ये वाले इसमें कर रहे हो इसमें you can partially see. You can't see it properly. So it depends upon the plastic material also. Clear? Clear बच्चे? तो अगर ये ऐसा ऑब्जेक्ट है तो मैं आपका जो उस साइड है वो मुझे इतना क्लियर नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. And you are also able to see my face is not clear to you even. So it depends upon the type of the material also. Plastic के भी ऊपर depend करता है. Clear कि वो किस तरह का material है.
मैम अगर ग्लास या फिर जैसे बुक का कवर है इसके ऊपर स्क्रैचेस हो तब वो ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाता है.
Yes, it is still translucent. Prisha, it is not that much transparent in nature. Here it is still translucent. Now next we are discussing about transparent object. So what are the transparent objects? The objects through which we can see clearly. Objects through which we can see clearly.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is this transparent?
What is your name?
Anmol Agarwal.
Okay, just give me a minute. Yes, Anmol. Your video. Yes. You are showing. It is which material it is?
Ma'am, the cover which we.
ये cover नहीं है.
नाम नहीं पता.
Cover नहीं है ये.
Ma'am,
मैम और नेट मैम दूध के ऊपर रखने जा.
मैम नेट
It is lid.
मैम नेट है.
It is lid है. Okay, so there are spaces in it. So we are able to see on the other side. Okay, जो उसकी wires हैं उसमें space होती है. Clear? जिससे कि हमें दिखाई देता है. So now next is the objects through which we can see clearly are called the transparent objects, and the other examples are glass, water, and some types of plastic. Not all types of plastic and some plastics only. Okay? And now next, underline it also on your book. You might have seen the shopkeepers that they prefer the containers which are made up of glass so that you are able to see it clearly. ठीक है कि इसमें कौन सी कैंडीज है, इसमें क्या है, बिस्किट्स हैं. ठीक है, तो जो कंटेनर्स है वो भी क्या है, वो ग्लास के चूज करते हैं शॉपकीपर्स. You can see in the figure 4.8. So they use transparent bottles to store sweets, biscuits, and other things. Clear? Now, other one that, for example, this notebook. So it is which type of transparent, translucent, opaque. So what are objects in which we cannot see clearly? Okay, we cannot see on the other side of the object. So हम जैसे कि ये I am not able to see your picture. So it is opaque in nature. So which material Avni you have for as an example for opaque object?
Iron.
Okay, okay, it is
Ma'am,
metal
Watch
cap.
case.
It is metal container.
Watch case.
सारा चावल गीला हो गया
मैम watch
सारा
case.
चावल गीला हो गया चावल
So next, we are discussing about in the case of opaque objects, we are not able to see on the other side. Okay, and it is not even clear to us to see. So we cannot see through the objects, through the opaque objects. Clear? Any the examples is wood, iron, any type of material, metal container is there. It is opaque in nature. So how we can define opaque objects? The objects through which we cannot see at all. उसमें हम बिल्कुल ही नहीं देख पाते हैं. Clear? And light also does not pass from them, and they do not allow light to pass through them. Clear? Transparent में पूरी जो light है वो pass कर जाती है. It allow to pass light through it. But in the case of opaque objects, this will not happen. Okay? And now next, coming to the second para of the column 2. On the other hand, there are some materials through which you are not able to see. These materials are called opaque objects. So underline this. Examples are also given in the next line. Closed wooden box, a cardboard carton, or a metal container. Wood, cardboard, metals are examples of opaque materials. Clear? Now next, coming to the activity number 6. So in this activity that is given on page number 31, you have to take a sheet of paper and look through it towards a lighted bulb. जैसे कि हम कोई भी sheet लेनी है हमने, clear, और उसको देखना है जहाँ पे light bulb है. Clear? So are you able to see some light? Yes, Avni, if you are taking any paper, are you able to see any paper?
Ma'am, no.
For example,
Ma'am,
take this
not
paper, you are
clearly.
able to see towards right, something is visible to you. On the other side.
Ma'am, a little. Ma'am, no.
No. So now we have done in the chapter number 2 also that when we apply oil, जब हमने फैट टेस्ट किया था तो हमने ऑयल अप्लाई किया था पेपर के ऊपर, वो ऑयली पैच हमें ऑब्टेन हुआ था. तो दिस एक्टिविटी यू कैन डू. आपने क्या करना है, एक शीट लेनी है, उसके ऊपर ऑयल लगा देना है. क्लियर? पेपर पे पहले तो ओपेक होगा, बट जब आप उस पे अप्लाई कर दोगे ऑयल, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, यू आर एबल टू सी द अदर साइड पार्शियली. क्लियरली नहीं दिखाई देगा आपको, बट पार्शियली यू आर एबल टू सी ऑन द अदर साइड. So you will do this activity. You will take a sheet, okay, and then you will apply some oil over it. Then again you will see against any light source. Clear? And you will observe it. So this type of materials from which we can see the other side partially. Clearly नहीं दिखेगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखाई देगा. तो उन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को क्या कहते हैं? Translucent objects. Clear? So the next is translucent. again? Please raise your hand. Another example of translucent. Yes, Vinayak.
Ma'am, a dirty glass.
Yes, if the glass is dirty, then we are able to see partially. Yes. Next, Prisha.
Ma'am, is butter paper or tracing paper translucent?
Yes, these are translucent.
And ma'am, a bottle of glass which is filled.
Water is translucent. Sorry, transparent. Glass भी transparent है. So,
मैम इसके ऊपर थोड़े से स्क्रैचेस हैं किसी जगह पे, तो मैम वो कैमरे के अंदर नहीं दिख रहे, बट उससे लाइट अच्छे से पास नहीं होती.
okay, ठीक है. So you are a good observer if you because it is not visible to me. अगर आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, so it may happen. Yeah. So now the next is the translucent objects. So in that translucent, we are able to see, but not clearly visible नहीं होगा. Clear? बटर पेपर, ऑयली पैड जो हमने अभी मैंने आपको एक्टिविटी बोली है कि आप करके देखोगे ये एक्टिविटी, ऑयली पैड जो हो जाएगा तो वो भी ट्रांसलूसेंट हो जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ द डेफिनेशन इज थ्रू द ऑब्जेक्ट थ्रू which we can see but not clearly. जो लाइट है वो भी थोड़ी थोड़ी पास होगी, ज्यादा पास नहीं होगी. ठीक है ना? We are able to see, we can see but not clearly. बटर पेपर, ट्रेसिंग पेपर, ऑयली पैड जो पेपर पे obtain होगा, these are the example of translucent objects. Clear? Now next, you all have torch. So now what you So you all have torch. Manita? Yes. Place your hand over the torch in this way. Okay. So are you able to see light? Yes, Hitesh. Only one hand, Hitesh. ये torch मेरे पास torch नहीं है. Only one hand. So you are able to see light on the palm. So it is transparent, translucent. Your palm is transparent, translucent or opaque. Yes, Gazar, बच्चे. You can unmute yourself or not? Okay. Just wait a minute. So yes. Yes, Gazal.
Ma'am, translucent.
Yes, it is translucent. So here is a question for you that she switch on the torch and observe the other side of the palm. She wants to know whether palm of your hand is opaque, transparent or translucent. So you are observing that you are able to see the light. Okay? Of the
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I use my mobile?
Yes, what you are saying?
Ma'am, I am saying that can I use my mobile?
Yes, you can use that also. You can use that also. So, what will happen? The light of the torch will pass through your palm. Okay?
Excuse me.
And our palm will become translucent. Clear?
Ma'am, we have to do like this.
Just give me a minute, I will see. Yes. What you are? Yes, Prisha?
Ma'am, this tissue paper is now translucent as I have spilled some oil on it.
Okay, so now it becomes translucent. Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Very good, very good. So other students can also perform this activity. Clear? So then you are able to see that translucent object.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am. Ma'am, this net, ma'am, we can see through it, but ma'am, when we put it on paper, ma'am, we cannot read the words. So,
Yes.
ma'am, this is or transparent.
So now you are आपने दो join कर दिए ना, तो एक object बन गया, तो वो आपको clearly visible नहीं है, ठीक है? Clear? जैसे कि एक sheet है और ये, so this is opaque in nature now. Clear? Because you are not able to see on the other side. Clear? अगर आपने चाहे net भी use किया, but आपने फिर एक object रख दिया ना साथ में, तो आपको दूसरी साइड नहीं दिखाई देगी, तो इट इज opaque. अगर आप अकेला यूज कर रहे हो प्लास्टिक पेपर, तो वो आपको ट्रांसपेरेंट, अगर बहुत अच्छा प्लास्टिक का पेपर है जो हम यूज करते हैं फॉर पैकेजिंग पर्पसेस, जैसे कि मेरी नोटबुक पे है, शाइनी है थोड़ा सा, सो इट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट इन नेचर. कवर में जो व्हाइट वाला नहीं है, उसके ऊपर एक कवर है प्लास्टिक का एक और, ये दैट इज ट्रांसपेरेंट इन नेचर. नेक्स्ट.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done also activity that you have told, oily patch.
Okay. Yes. Vinayak, what is your observation? Okay. So what you are observing, that it is opaque, transparent or translucent?
Ma'am, it is translucent.
Okay, very good. So you can, in the case of translucent, you are only able to see the objects, but not that clearly नहीं आपको दिखाई देगा, partially दिखाई देगा. और लाइट में भी जो लाइट उसमें से थोड़ी पास करेगी, ज्यादा पास नहीं करेगी. Clear? Now next, coming to the conclusion of the chapter.
Ma'am, I have also done that activity.
Very good, very good. So now next is very good students who have done this the activity. So now next we will conclude this chapter. So what we have learned from it, we learned that what is classification and why the classification is necessary, why it is required, why we have to do classification. Okay, because why it makes our work easy. Clear? हम जो अपने जो अलमीरा में है, जो क्लोथ्स हैं, उनको प्रॉपर एक ग्रुप में रखते हैं. यहाँ पे हमारी जीन्स है, यहाँ पे हमारे जो शर्ट्स हैं. Clear? So you will be able to find your favorite jeans very much easily. Clear? आपको पता, फिर आपने अगर मिक्सअप किया होगा तो आपको अपने जीन्स जो फेवरेट है वो भी नहीं मिलेगी. ठीक है? So this classification is very important. Clear? And you can also see, शॉप पे जाते हो, शॉपकीपर ने जो है प्रॉपर जो बॉक्स है उसमें बिस्किट्स एक तरफ होते हैं, चिप्स एक ड्रॉ में होते हैं, शैम्पू एक तरफ. So it is easy for the shopkeeper also. And जो हमें भी वो क्या है, क्लियरली दिखाई देगा कि हाँ यहाँ पे क्या क्या है. क्लियर है? तो अगर उन्होंने भी जो थिंग्स है, शैम्पू, सोप है, अगर मिक्स किए होते बिस्किट्स के साथ, तो इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क फॉर दैट शॉपकीपर आल्सो टू गिव यू एनीथिंग दैट यू आर आस्किंग अबाउट. क्लियर? So in our daily life, grouping is very important. Okay, and now next is there is another reason why we find such grouping useful. Underline this: dividing materials in groups make it convenient to study their properties and also observe any patterns in their properties. So by grouping we come to know that किनकी property same है. जैसे कि wood के जो material हैं उनकी property same है. All wood can catch a fire easily. अब हम वुड को अलग रखेंगे, आयरन को अलग रखेंगे, क्योंकि आयरन कैच नहीं करता है फायर. So it is easy for us also. हमें उन ऑब्जेक्ट्स की प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में पता चल जाता है इजीली. Clear? So therefore grouping is also important to study the patterns. Clear? So our chapter is completed. Tomorrow we will discuss the NCERT exercise. Yes, बच्चे?
Ma'am, here is the transparent of
Show me which object you are. What is your name?
Ma'am Vinayak.
Yes, बच्चे. Yes, show me, बच्चे. Please mark your attendance also.